Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Toyota Avensis 2005, and this is a 2-liter petrol engine. I am going, and this is an automatic as well. I'm going to change the V-belt on it, V-belt or fan belt, multi-rib belt, serpentine belt, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be changing it. It's been due for a little while. The belt that I have in there has developed some cracks. A few months ago I changed the actual tensioner, which was leaking oil. I couldn't really make a video, but replacing that tensioner is very easy in this car. I may just give you some tips if you needed to change it, but today I'm doing the belt, and that's the belt that I have. Hopefully it's the right one. Dyco 6PK1733 is the one my supplier gave me some time ago, so hopefully it will be the right one. And we're gonna start by obviously getting the bonnet open. Hopefully you know how to do that, but there is a little bonnet lever inside of the car that you pull. The bonnet pops up, and then you come here, get your finger under the bonnet, and you have to move this little flap here in order to release the bonnet, and the bonnet comes up, and then you put that there obviously. And then we want to get this cover out, which is held in by some clips here. These clips, if you sort of, I'm not sure these are the original clips, to be fair. I may have put these ones because the original ones may have gone missing. If you do have these clips, you have to pull the center and then take the clip out, but I think these may have different ones, to be honest. It's more of the, but I haven't got any here because I've changed them all and I lost that one as well. Anyway, that wouldn't be the hardest part of the job anyway. Right, let's get this out of here. I don't think these are the original. Okay, lift that part up, and then we can get this out like so. Okay, and in here is our belt. So you may be able to notice that this belt already has some cracks on it. You can just see that little crack there. Well, those are all around the belt. So before this belt breaks, it's better to take care of it. And the tensioner is that one there. That tensioner there, which has a little sort of damper on the side. Like I said, very easy to replace, literally like a bolt and a nut to remove. And well, anyway, we need to remove the tension in order to get this belt out. Okay, so before removing the belt, I recommend making a drawing. This is my drawing here, and you can see how the belt goes around. So I have the alternator, then the belt goes around the water pump, the AC compressor, crankshaft, tensioner wheel, and power steering, and then it goes back to the alternator. Because often once you remove that belt, it is a little bit of a puzzle to find out how it goes back in. It happens, believe me. So anyway, now we're gonna release the tension. You're gonna need a 19mm socket like this, and perhaps a long wrench here like this one to do that. Okay, let's get this belt off. So we put our 19mm in that sort of not looking thing there. If it fits, it should fit. Okay, my ratchet is a little bit big, but anyway, that goes in there, and then we can lose the tension by pulling the ratchet. Once you pull on the ratchet, you can release the tension of the belt. So let's do that again. It is a little bit hard because it's got a damper. Okay, now we can release the tension, the belt. You can see I just grab it from the sides and take it out. I don't really like to put my finger in between the wheels. Okay, now we can take the belt out. Where you can see the number there, 6PK1735. The one I have is 1733. Should be all right. So I just want to show you here, this belt has a few cracks there. The belt is still feels strong or whatever, but it is getting cracks all around, little cracks like there. So it is getting, you can see that one there, that one's pretty bad. So it is getting to that point where it's just going to snap, and then we're gonna get it stuck somewhere. Okay, let's try to fit our new belt. And since you made a drawing, then you'll know how it goes back in. These things are always a bit of a fiddle, especially when the belt is new, because it's bent in such a way that you have to maneuver it all around. Let's try and get this. So what I'm gonna do, this might take a little while. You know how it goes back in, so I'll just put it back all around the wheels, and we'll get back to the point where we fit it back, releasing the tension. Okay, so no rocket science. Got my belt around all the wheels, make sure it's sitting properly around the grooves, and now it's time to get this wheel get the belt around the alternator here. So I'm just pulling the belt and now releasing the tension, and that should pop in there. That's in. Now we can release our ratchet here and take it out, and that's pretty much it. That is done. So now what I'm gonna do is start the car, make sure there are no issues here. So happy days. That only took about, well, by the time I mess around making the video, obviously it takes a bit longer, but 20 minutes or so and it's all done. And like I said, once you remove this belt, if you wanted to change your tensioner, all you need to do is remove that bolt there, and then that nut there that holds the little damper, and then that comes out. Fairly simple tensioner to replace. So having said that, now I'm just gonna put this little cover back in here and we're done. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. So thank you for watching.